Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out one of the latest 50p coin releases from the Royal Mint. This is celebrating 100 years of Insulin, a 2021 50p coin for the UK. And this is the packaging, how it looks inside of its outer plastic packaging, front and back. But let's get inside. And once again, front and back. We'll check out all of that information in a bit. But for now, let's take out the inner sleeve and have a look at all of this good information, as we always do. What I'm going to do, of course, is scan along all of the information that you see inside and just leave everything there just long enough so that you can pause it and have a read at your own pace. And then we have a little bit about the coin designer there. Banting, Best and Collip sold the US patent rights for insulin to the University of Toronto for a mere $1 each in 1923. Banting reportedly declared, "Insulin does not belong to me, it belongs to the world." And then with the help of this diagram and all of this information, it explains exactly how insulin works. And at the bottom, you've got the different types of diabetes. Since its discovery in 1921, the impact that insulin has had on the world is immeasurable. Its use in the treatment of diabetes has not only saved countless lives, but has allowed diabetics to live in relative normality with what was once a deadly condition. This coin marks the 100th anniversary of the discovery of insulin and celebrates the remarkable work of Dr. John J.R. MacLeod, Sir Frederick Banting, Dr. Charles Best and Dr. James Collip. And let's quickly check out the coin specs. It's a 50p coin. The alloy is copper nickel. The weight 8 grams. Diameter 27.30 millimeters. The obverse designer is Jody Clark and reverse designer Iris de la Torre. And the quality, of course, is brilliant and circulated. Starting with the coin's obverse as usual. 50 pence, 2021, Elizabeth II, Jody Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen. And that smudge on the coin is actually on the coin. So this one got through the process of checking for quality. Now, I don't think I'll be sending it back, but it's a bit disappointing. Let's have a look at the reverse. And there we have it. What an amazing coin. Especially considering what a breakthrough in science this was, and I think that we can all agree that it is being represented very well on one of our awesome 50p coins. Now, I have joked with some of my friends that this is the Blockbusters coin, if any of you remember the game show Blockbusters. It reminds me a little bit of that. But there we go. It's a very nice design. It's definitely a great addition to the Innovation in Science series that have been amazing so far, and hopefully they'll just continue to be this great. Of course, I cannot go an entire video about a 50p coin which is celebrating insulin without mentioning Caledonian Coins, who openly suffers from diabetes, and so this is a wonder drug, especially in his life and for anybody that knows anyone that does suffer with diabetes. This is the exact coin that celebrates their life. Not only the discovery, but their lives. And obviously they live normality. Not Darren so much, because we all know that he is in no way normal. And he will take that in the correct way, because he knows that he is not normal at all. But there we go. I want to know in the comment section below, what do you think of this coin? Are you enjoying this series, and do you want it to continue? I want to know all of that in the comment section below. And of course, if you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button, because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.